Hi, ma'am. I have a package for you. I need you to sign it, please.
I'm currently not home. So can you please ask one of my neighbors if they can sign for it?
Are you sure? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing this video doorbell with a camera and with a chime with like type of a hub. So this is a MADV smart video doorbell, this model called 2M, and guys, you are so very welcome to check it out. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine. So MADV brand was established in 2015, and this one became a Xiaomi ecosystem enterprise in the very same year. It is a 2K full HD image resolution video doorbell. It is also works on an infrared night vision, as well as it is having a human motion detection ability installed inside, and it supports an instant video notifications directly to your smartphone. It is a great video doorbell for a long distance and real-time communications, as well as this one is changing your voice.
You can change your voice via the smart application, so it can be a clown.
Hello. Hi, who is this? Please leave the package at the front door.
Hello, who is there? Please leave the package on the porch, and I'll grab it later.
This one is coming with a smart application, and the installation of this one on your door is so very easy. You can choose to mount it with the screws, or you can just use the sticker that it is came with. Super easy, 30 seconds type of an installation. You just simply put it on, connect it to your application, and voila, that's it. You will see everything that's going on at your door. You can put it on your front door, on your back door, I mean, whatever you want to use it, right? Of course. It is gonna record every motion detection, like it's gonna give you a short video file once there is going to be any motion detected by this video doorbell, as well as, of course, if someone is ringing your bell, definitely this one gonna record it, and you are gonna get a notification directly to your smartphone, so you'll be able to talk to the people that are at your front door. So it is actually saves all the videos, all the video clips, you know, all the packages delivering and so very on. You have it all here. It is having a two-way audio, so it have a microphone, it have a speaker, so you can hear everything that's happening right there. You can talk to the people at the front of your door live. You cannot see what's going on live in the lifetime until there's someone at your door, until there's someone ringing that bell at your door. This doorbell is an absolutely amazing tool for communication with whoever is at your property, whoever is at your door. You can scare them away, you can tell them to go away. You also have messages that you can use, so you can record your own message, or you can use the built-in ones. Also, it have a few really cool ringtones. It have 3 ringtones built inside the doorbell itself, and it have more ringtones built inside of this type of a hub that is gonna ring your door. So that's the ringtones inside of the application. 3 ringtones. Then you have this thing right here. This one, you have to connect it to a power source. I currently connected this one to a power bank, but this one actually have to be connected to a socket. It is obviously came with a cable, with a wall charger. So this one is gonna ring the bell inside of your house. You just simply put this one anywhere inside of your house, and you're gonna hear it. So you can control the volume. And that's it. So you can choose any one of the ringtones that are installed inside of this hub, as well as you can control the volume. So whatever works for you. Well, now guys, let me tell you more details about this amazing video doorbell. Well, let's get started. This is MADV security doorbell camera with chime. This is a wireless rechargeable video doorbell that works on a smart Wi-Fi, and it works on 2K full HD resolution. It have an amazing night vision ability and a great motion detection, two-way audio, and instant alerts directly to your personal phone. So guys, let me tell you more details. First of all, this one is having no monthly fee, and it is coming with a secured cloud storage. So you can enjoy a free 72 hours of a rolling cloud storage for up to 5 years. That is automatically installed and coming with this video doorbell by MADV. It is so very easy and secure to use this one. It's user-friendly, and it's great to access all of your recorded footages by this wireless doorbell camera. It is comes with an experienced unmatched clarity type of a video. The MADV Smart Video Doorbells works on a 2K image as well as on an infrared night vision technology. This all ensures that every detail is captured by this video doorbell. Day or night, it doesn't matter, it is gonna capture all the possible movements and everything that's going at the front of your door or at your backyard, whatever you decide to put this one. I've put this one on my front door. It is great as far surpassing the image quality of standards of the 1080 pixels of cameras. So the standard, this one is really high. You will be able to see everything in details. The installation of this one is so very easy. It's basically a hassle-free installation. You can install this one by two ways, via the screws that are coming inside of the package, or you can use the sticker. So it's so very easy to install this one without any type of a wiring, without any type of a chargers that are required. This doorbell is a wireless and rechargeable one. It is coming with a pin, so you simply disconnect this one from the base. The base stayed glued on your front door while you're just simply taking this doorbell, recharging it, and putting it back. So there is no any type of a drilling required. You can drill if you want to, but you absolutely don't have to. The battery life is absolutely amazing. The battery will last for up to 3 months of using on a single charge. This doorbell works on an installed two-way of communication high technology, so you can communicate with your visitors in real time. Show the smart application and show the built-in microphone and speaker of this no-wire camera doorbell. Also, this camera comes with a voice-changing ability that I'm going to show you guys in this video today as well. So it's an amazing feature to add even more to your privacy. So you can change your voice via this doorbell, so no one will ever know how your voice sounds like. It also came with a free Smart Chime already included in the package. You need to plug in this chime to the socket, and this is how you will hear the doorbell sound inside of your house. You can control as well a few features through the chime itself from inside of your house, and you can choose from 14 unique ringtones available, so you can choose whichever one you'd love to hear as your doorbell, and you can adjust the volume via the chime to hear every knock out there. You can make it to shut up, or you can make it to be as highest as possible, so you will never miss a visitor ever again. This wire-free security camera offers cutting-edge features such as special recognition ability, as human detection, as packaging detection, as well as a 24/7 monitoring and alerts of everything that happened in front of your door. It allows you to enjoy a great security, feel safe, and have the full control of whatever is coming to your door. This video doorbell is having a crystal clear 2K resolution type of an image, as well as it is having a wide angle lens installed in this doorbell. So it is using 145 degrees of a wide angle lens. That's to give you the full ability to see as wide as possible of whatever happening at your front door. You can see more of what matters, and you can check out every single detail captured in this 2K resolution clarity. This doorbell works via the custom PIR lens high technology, which this one is more suitable for environments, and it can set the detection range to capture visitors in any intrusion identification type of an area. This smart high technology chip has built-in humanoid recognition function, so it knows who is in your front door. It's a human, it's a pet, it's an animal, so you will have way less false alerts. That type of a high technology is effectively reducing any type of false positives and delays via this camera. You can answer the door at any place and any time because you are gonna get an alert directly to your phone. So you can communicate with your visitors via the built-in high-quality microphone and speaker via the two-way of audio. It is all based on a leading intercom echo cancellation high technology. You also have a recorded ahead type of messages that you can use, so you can answer with a recorded message already, or you can talk yourself to whoever is at your front door. The auto reply called the one-click reply, so it doesn't matter how busy you are, you will not miss any type of a delivery because you will have the video message functions, which helps you to convey your message to whoever is at your front door. Well guys, a quick introduction to the smart application, what you are capable of via this doorbell. So first of all, if there is someone at your door, you are going to get a message and a notification directly to your smartphone. You can view the message like you can view the video. It is going to take a short video, as well as you will be able to have the live stream directly to your door. Now, if I'm gonna ring the bell, I'm gonna get a notification directly to my phone that someone is at the door ringing the bell. Someone rang the doorbell, as you can see, guys, and then you can just click view and it is gonna show you that someone is there. Hi, hello, this is me. I hope you really love my crown. It's gorgeous. Yes. So guys, yeah, it's super cool. And then you can choose what to do directly from your phone to the doorbell. So you can reply via a voice reply. This is a built-in already one. And
Wait a moment.
see, it's just talking.
Please wait a moment.
Exactly. Then you have another voice messages that I recorded ahead.
Hi, we aren't home right now. Please leave the package by the door.
That's me. And another message that I recorded as well before.
Please leave my property immediately.
This is me. I hope you recognize my voice. Then you can choose to voice call via the person that's at your door right now.
Hello, who is there? So this is the original voice. You can change your voice via the Smart application, so it can be a clown.
Hello. Hey, who is this? Please leave the package at the front door.
Hello, who is there? Please leave the package on the porch, and I'll grab it later.
So that was the live streaming. Now you have, for all the days that you had the video doorbell on, of course, since I installed it, you have for every single day a footage. So whenever someone is appearing at your front door, you will have a short video of whoever is there. For an example, these are from today and I have them back for a few last days. So see, someone is, this is Amazon Prime, he's leaving a package at my front door, and here is just me grabbing the package, grabbing the pizza. Yeah, this is the Domino's pizza that I ordered. Here is the Domino's guy that brought the pizza to my house. Yes, and as you can see, guys, because I am currently standing in front of my door, it is still keep on sending me notifications that, hey, someone is at the front of your door. So you will have as many as per every single day of these. This is how it all works. And then you have the settings, so you can control it through the setting. You can choose a ringtone, whatever ringtone you want. Then you can adjust the volume of the ringtone, so it can go anywhere from 0 to 100% of a volume. Then you can control the indoor chime settings, so you can make the D&D mode on or off. For an example, if your baby is sleeping, your baby is sensitive, you can choose it to be quiet between specific days and times of the day. If you don't want someone ring the bell and wake up your baby, for an example. You can connect to the chime, of course, and you have the third button on the chime that will help you to do so. You have a real-time footage option to choose from, so you just choose whatever works the best for you. The infrared night vision, this one is amazing. I will say always on, of course, but you can choose the one that works for you. Battery indicator, yes, I do want to know how much battery there is left in my video doorbell, of course. You have the removal alarm ability, so that means when the doorbell is being removed, an alarm will go off and on. The alarm means like a safety alarm, so like it's basically against someone is stealing your doorbell from your property. Then you have the motion detection, so you can customize the motion detection and you can choose for, medium, near. You can choose how sensitive it is gonna be, the duration, of course, whatever works for you. You just simply choose it by your own choice, wherever is good for you. Obviously, it is all customizable and fully adjustable up to your own personal needs. Then you have the cloud. As I told you guys, there is no monthly fee. It is amazing. It's just gonna simply save all of your videos and you can download them or keep them in. You can control the notifications and so very on. In general, I am definitely a big fan of this MADV smart video doorbell. It works so very good for me and I am sure that it is gonna work the same way for you. Another thing is that all of the events are actually sorted by someone is at your door or someone passed by or someone ring the bell of your doorbell and so very on. So you can just simply sort them and filter them so it will be easier for you just to navigate. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. If you are still have any type of questions, please be so very sure to leave them down below in the comments to this video of mine. Also, please let me know your opinion down below. Guys, be so very sure to check this MADV video doorbell out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, discounts, and so very on. Well, guys, please let me know your opinion, and I am truly amazed by this video doorbell. I love it. It works so very great for me, and we just left for 2 weeks of a trip for the Caribbeans, and we took like a cruise. It was really a fun time, and I use this doorbell to watch what's going on at the front of my door, like who is leaving packages for me, who is ringing my bell, and so very on. So it is definitely a must-have in every house out there. Well, that was actually all for today, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed this video of mine. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.